Hi, welcome to our online class, Yumika. This is a recorded class, and let's start with our calendar first, okay? So here we have our date today. So instead of November 8th, we'll be changing this one. Today's date, it is November 11, 2024, and it is found here in our calendar, November 11, 2024. And how about let's move on to the next part. Since we're done with our calendar, and remember, today it is a Monday, okay? Today it is a Monday. Now let's jump to another part, and that is to counting our numbers from 1 to 25, okay? So how about let's start with the first number. So what's the first number? I will check for you so that you can see. Let me move my picture here on the side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So those are the numbers that we counted 1 to 25. How about let's erase this one and let's meet our letter friend for today. So for today, we have the letter friend, the letter M. So there are two kinds of letters for M. Remember, we have capital M and the lowercase m. Again, capital M and the lowercase m. So two kinds. And how about let's do the sound of our M. Remember, M has what sound? The B sound or the M sound? It is the M sound, letter M. The sound of M is M. The sound of M is M. All the letters make a sound. The sound of M is M. M is for the mittens, moon, and mop. We also have the milk, man, and mouse. They all make the sound, the sound. M. Letter M. That's our letter friend today, our M. M has the sound. It is found in the mittens to help your hands not get cold from the snow or when you live in a cold place. You also can wear a mitten when you want to protect it from the heat of the oven or from the stove. When you get something that you are baking, there is M in moon. In the nighttime, you can see the moon. M is for mop, for cleaning the floor. M is for milk. You drink milk to have strong bones. M is for the man. Who is the man that you can find in your house? Maybe your dad. Maybe you know another person. Your uncle or tito is a man. And your grandpa is a man. Now next, we have our mouse here. The mouse likes to also get your food. The mouse is smaller than a rat. So here we have our things that begin with what letter? S or M? Letter M. Let's erase the writings on the screen and let's move to our letter here. So remember again, our letter friend is the letter M and it is one of our alligator letters. When you say alligator letters, they are short and fit under the dotted line. So when we make our capital M first, you go down and then go back up. Slide down, up, and down. So that is your capital M. That's how you write it. But what about for lowercase m? Line down, make two mountains. One and two. So when you make your lowercase m, it is under the dotted line, just like our alligator here. So now that we're done with our letter friend, knowing about our letter friend, let's go do our tracing, okay? So I think you're ready to prepare your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. Let's try to do letter M. I'll show it on the screen while you write it there on your board. So how do we make our letter M? So I have the capital M first. M starts at the top with a straight line down. Then at the top, go back at the top, go down, up, down like a silly little frown. So let's do it again. Start at the top with a straight line down. Then at the top again, go down, up, and down like a silly little frown. So that's your capital M. What about let's move to another kind of M, the lowercase m. So let's try and do lowercase m. Sometimes when I tell you to make your M, it looks like two mountains. Let's try to make the monkeys jump on it. So here, go down, hit the ground, then add two humps, just like the monkeys who are ready to jump. That's one and 2. See, another way is to write it down like this. Add two mountains, 1 and 2. So here we have the lowercase m. To remember, you have to do two humps to make the monkeys jump or two mountains to make lowercase m. So there we go. You had your letter M, capital, and also the lowercase letter m, and M has the sound. But what about we write for the M words? Are you ready? This time, M words, let's write it on your board. The first word that I'm going to write is for math. M, A, and the letter T, mat. I see the mat. The mat is on the floor. Mat, M-A-T. Let me erase and let's move to another one. What about map? M, A, and the letter P. This is your map. By the way, this is a recorded class. If I am too fast for you, you can pause the video. Play it again once you're done writing your words in your board, okay? So let me go back. This is our map. The map is what the pirates used to find treasure. Another one, this time it's a different word. We have mop. M, O, and the letter P. When there are spills on the floor, you accidentally put water or spill water on the floor, what will you need? You will need a mop to clean over it. We have our mop, M-O-P, mop. Next one, we have M, E, and the letter N to make the word men. The men, there are lots of people for men, a lot of them. If it's a group like your uncle, your dad, and your grandpa, they are all men. But if it's only one, let's write for that word M, A, and N. That is the word man. There's only one man. Like for example, who is there with you in the house? You call him dad. Your dad is a man. M-A-N, man. What about the next word? This one, it's the mug. M-U. And the letter G. We have our mug. I can drink from a mug. Mug. Another one, we have mob. M-O. And the letter B, mob. There are lots of people in the streets. If there are all together in the streets, it's a mob already. M-O-B, mob. Another one, let's write moon. M. Oops, let me fix that one. That's too big. M, O, O, and N makes the word moon. You see the moon during when? In the daytime or in the nighttime? In the nighttime, along with the stars. Okay, next one. The drink that you drink to have strong bones. It's called milk. M-I-L and the letter K to make the word milk. That's milk. Okay, please erase the writings on your board and let's go do another part of our class. Sorry, let me fix this one. This time, let's answer. I am going to cover things that begin with the letter M. The sound M. So how about let's do the first one. Do we cover for monster? Monster? Yes, monster begins with M sound. Can we cover for mouse? Mouse. Yes, mouse begins with M. What about mittens? Mittens. Yes, mittens begins with M. Mailbox. Mailbox. Also, mailbox begins with M. What about monkey? Monkey. Yes, monkey begins with M. What about fire truck? Fire truck. No, it's for letter F. How about pumpkin? Pumpkin. No, that's for letter P. What about magnet? Magnet. Yes, magnet begins with M. What about the moose? Moose. He is bigger than the deer and bigger than the reindeer. This is a moose. Okay, moose begins with M. The moose lives in a different place where it snows and it's cold. That's the moose. What about milk? Milk. Yes, you drink milk to make you taller as well. Milk. What about queen? Queen. No, it's for letter Q. Hat. Hat. That's for H. What about moon? Moon. Yes, moon begins with M. So these are the things that we covered for letter M. The mouse, the mittens, the monster, the mailbox, monkey, magnet, milk, moose, and moon. They all begin with letter M, sound M. Okay, next, after the letter M, we will do the next part. Done already with our work today for the screen work, but let's proceed to your work in your worksheet there. So let's jump to our booklet. You will need this one. It says here, My M Book. Okay, we'll start using this one first, the My M Book. So I want you to write for your name in the space. You trace your letter M and you color for your monkey. Is it okay if I move to the next page? If you are not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. If you finish coloring, writing, and tracing for M, we can move on to the next page, and that is to trace again for your letter M. So here we're going to trace for M, and I want you to properly fix your marker in your hand and cover the shadows for M. So line down, slide, up and down. Capital M. Again, line down, slide, up and down. Continue tracing for your capital letter M. That's capital letter M. Okay, next. What about for your lowercase letter m? Line down to mountains, 1 and 2. Line down to mountains, 1 and 2. I want you to follow for your shadows in your letter M. Try not to get out of the line, Yumika, okay? So that your letter M will look neat and nice. And this is how your work should look like. Capital letter M in the first part here and lowercase letter m when you're done tracing. Are you done with this? If you are done, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. But I'll be moving on to the next. The next page is for finding our letter M. So I want you to color all your letter M. capital M and lowercase letter M. You can color or much better if you have your dabber, please dab for your letter M. Find all your M's, dab it. Do I have some more M's on the screen? Am I done already? Not yet. No, there's some more. It's this one and this one. So we have both capital and lowercase m. Let's erase this one. Done with our work. Remember, if I'm being too fast, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Let me jump to the next part, and that is our last page for this booklet. We will circle the things that begin with the letter M. So what are these pictures that we need to circle for? So how about mouse? Can we circle mouse? Yes, mouse begins with letter M. What about moon? Moon. Yes, also moon begins with M. What about worm? Worm. Worm is for W. Camera. Camera. Camera begins with C. Money. Money. You will need money to pay for things. So money begins with M. What about jam? Jam. Jam begins with J, not M. So here you have the three pictures that you should circle: the mouse, the moon, and money. Let's erase this one and let's move on to the next part. If you're done already with this, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I have capital and lowercase letter M. So how about let's write for them? Capital M, line down, slide, up and down. Line down, make two mountains, one and two. So here we have our booklet for the alphabet reader. I want you to do this one. Please trace like what I did on the screen and write for your name in the space provided. If you are done writing for the name, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll be jumping to the next part and I'll show you our map. So let's read together and color for the pictures. We can see the map. Remember, you can use your map to find the place that you need to go to. So I want you to color your map, color it there on your booklet. So teacher has to color on this page only, but for the rest, I'll get to read the sentences with you, okay? So I'll color as much as I can on this page to show you. Now for your work, try not to get out of the line when you color. And when you color, cover all the white spaces in your picture. Color some more. Color the inside. Okay, done with this picture, we have our map. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase this one and we'll continue on in reading our sentences. Teacher won't be coloring the pictures anymore. So let's read for this one. We have, we can see the mat. So we have our mat on the floor. When you go inside the house, you rub your dirty shoes on the mat so that the dirt won't go inside the house. We can see the mat. Another page, this one, we also have the men. So let's read for them. We can see the men. So these are the men. They are a group of people. The men. Okay, the next one. You use this one when it's dirty, when there's a spill on the floor. We can see the mop. So this is our mop. We can clean using the mop. Let's erase this one. Let's go to the next page. What do we have here? Let's read. We can see the mug. We have our mug. I can drink my milk, my tea from the mug. Okay, for the other pages, I did not color, but on your work, please color for the pictures, and you should have read the sentences for each picture. Now, if you're not yet done with the booklet, pause the video, play it again once you're done, but I'll be jumping to the big book. And this time, you're going to do Write the Room on page 73. Please start writing your name, and I want you to also do the words that I have on the screen. I'll count from 1 to 5, and I'll be starting with the first word on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're not yet done writing for your name, pause the video, play it again once you're done. For the first word, I have the word mat. M, A, and the letter T. This is the mat. I want to put my slippers on the mat. Okay, number 2, let's do the word map. M, A, letter P. We have our map. The pirate needs his map. Number 3, M, A-N. That's our man. My dad is a man. Number 4, M, E, and letter N. This is men. I see the men. Number 5, we have M, O, letter P. We have our mop. I see the mop. Number 6, we have M, U, letter G. This is the mug. I have a nice mug. Number 7, we have also the word M, O, O, and N. We have the word moon. I see the moon. Next one, M, I, L, and K. We have the word milk. Milk. Next one, M, and then another one, O and M. It's the word mom. Your mommy is your mom. And then the next one we have, let's try a new word, a long one, okay? M, I, E, T, E, and N. We have the word mitten. Okay, so here are the words that I have written on the screen. We have mat, map, man, men, mop, mug, moon, milk, mom, and mitten. They all go in the letter M, the M sound M. Okay, let me erase this one. And we're done with our write the room work. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done, but I'll be jumping to the next part. And let's color for our M's in the font maze. So I want you to first write your name on your work. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you're done. I'll jump to our M's on the maze. The monkey needs his mask. So let's go to our letter M's. Cover all your M's. You can use your dabber to find all your M's in the maze. We have our letter M. Find all our M's. It's nice if you start with each row. So I have the first one, the second one, and in the third, there's two. I'll go to the fourth row. Cover all our letter M's. Okay, we're almost down to the last. There's one here. And we have our letter M's on the maze. And you can color also the M pictures on our work, the monkey, and also the mask. So here we have all our letter M's, both capital and lowercase m. If you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Are you done with this one? Good job. If you're not yet done, you pause it. I'll be jumping to the next page. And this time, it's going to be our letter sort. So I have here our capital and lowercase m's. But first, trace your name, please. Write the name, trace your M. You get to cut your M's and sort them in the right place, if it's capital or if it's lowercase, okay? Find all your M's. Now, let's start with your name. Please write. And I'll be tracing also on our letter M on the screen. Capital M, lowercase m. So where are your M's? This is capital M. I'm looking for all the capital M's. And what about lowercase m? I'll fix the lowercase m at the very bottom here. So all these M's needs to go in the right place. Here we have all our letter M's, capital and lowercase m. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll jump to the next page, please. And I'll go to our capital M beginning sounds. So here you have to color the pictures that begin with the letter M sound, or what sound? The sound. Please write your name at the top. If you're not yet done writing for your name, you can pause the video, play it again once you're done. But I'll color for the things that begin with letter M. I have here the milk and the moon. There's also mushroom and the money. I also have a kind of insect that you see in the nighttime. In the daytime, it's the butterfly, but in the nighttime, we have our moth. The moth begins with M. We have our mouse. Lollipop doesn't go in M, but the map does. Camera is for letter C. Compass begins with C. Worm begins with W, but the monkey begins with M. Flamingo is for F, but the mug begins with M. Drum begins with D, but mittens begins with M. So these are the pictures that you need to color for your letter M. We have money, mushroom, moon, and milk. Moth, mouse, map, monkey, mug, and mittens. They all go in the letter M. Sound M. Now, what about for the next one? Let me erase this one. Oops, sorry. Something wrong with that one. Okay, here. We're going to do also the beginning sound for M. You get to cut your pictures, paste them in the M or not M box, and you get to trace also for M. So first do your name, please, but I will skip that one and I will proceed with tracing M. Remember, follow the shadow. Try not to get out of the shadow of your M there. Letter M. Now, if you're not yet done with writing and tracing, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. I get to paste the pictures already for our letter M. So the football, does it go in M? No, it's for F, not M. What about monkey? Yes, monkey begins with M. Leaf, leaf, it's not for M but L. Mouse, mouse, that's for letter M. King, king, that's not for M but K. Mug, mug, mug begins with M. Mushroom, mushroom, it's for letter M, and you have jam for letter J, not M. So this is what your work should look like for our beginning sounds work. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But if you are done, good job for you, and I'll be moving on to giving you the good job slide here. And since you're done with the work, good job, you'll get your sticker friend, this one. All the Sanrio friends are inside the heart. Good job for finishing the work today, Yumika, and I will see you in our next class. Bye bye.